जी अली बोलो.
Start from Allah Ta'ala created Adam and Hawa.
Start from there again. Okay, today I will start from even before Adam and Hawa. You know what was the first thing Allah Ta'ala created? The very, very, very first thing Allah Ta'ala created, the very first thing before Allah Ta'ala created anything else, angels or jinns or human beings or anything.
He made one jinn out of the fire.
Not one. All of the jinns are made out of the fire, just like all of humans are made out of
sand and rock and water and blood and meat.
Yes. So all jinns are created from the fire and the
and
smoke.
Also clay.
No, and the smoke. Just like you see, sometimes we are not able to see the smoke, right? That's why we can't see the jinns, because they are created with that type of smokeless fire.
Smokeless fire. More like a campfire making smoke.
Could be. Yeah, but we were talking about what was the thing that Allah Ta'ala created even before creating anything else. Do you know? Allah Ta'ala created a pen.
A pen?
Yes. A pen is called qalam.
Qalam?
Qalam.
Qalam?
Yes,
but
in
qaf?
Arabic. With the qaf, the big one. Yes. That makes the sound qa, right?
Qa.
So Allah Ta'ala created a qalam before anybody else, anything else. And then He ordered qalam to write everything. Whatever Allah Ta'ala's plans were, Allah Ta'ala ordered that qalam to write. And Allah Ta'ala keep on dictating the qalam, and the qalam was writing and writing and writing and writing. And do you know where is all that writing? Where are all those commands that Allah Ta'ala gave to qalam? No? They are in a big giant book. That book even has a name.
What's its name?
The book's name is Loh al Mahfouz.
That's out of ha.
Loh al Mahfouz. That's right. It has ha in it. You're right.
In the starting.
And that book is a very, very, very big book, and it's where Allah Ta'ala is. That is a place where no angel is even allowed to go. Only Allah Ta'ala orders and the qalam writes. We don't know how that qalam is alive and how the qalam can write by itself, but it does. Only we know that. It's all mentioned in Quran that Allah Ta'ala ordered. And all the other books, you know, there were 4 books that Allah Ta'ala sent down from the heavens, from Himself.
4 books?
Yeah, 4 books.
Did those books begin to shrink?
No. Yes, they shrink for us.
They shrink for people on earth.
Yes, Allah Ta'ala sent them in a shrunken format. And those 4 books Allah Ta'ala sent down as our manuals.
As our manuals?
Yes, just like, you know, when you get a Lego set, you get a manual with it, right? And then you see it, and then you are able to make and build, just like you build your garbage truck really quick with the Lego manual, right? Just like that, Allah Ta'ala sent those books as manuals. But manuals for who?
People.
Yes, that's my smart boy. That's very correct. That's for us. That manual is for us because Allah Ta'ala created us. So Allah Ta'ala sent our manuals too. And which one is that last manual that we also have?
The recycling truck one.
No, it's the Quran. Quran is that manual in which Allah Ta'ala describes us and tells us how we have to live our lives, how we should behave that we be successful so that we are able to go back to our original house. Which one is our original house?
Castle.
Castles in the heaven. That's correct. So we have to go there. So we have to learn from our manual what to do to go back to our home, right? But then some people ask, if everything is already written about us, then how come we do what we do?
If everyone's in the heaven, then there's millions and trillions of castles.
There are. For everybody, Allah Ta'ala has
There's
created.
going to be 7 million.
Maybe a lot more than that.
No, 7 million.
7 million. Okay.
There's going to be 7 million people and 7 million castles.
Oh, but the people are even way more than that. There have been billions and billions of people on the earth.
2 billion?
I think a lot more than that. I don't know the exact counting, but a lot more than that. So I was saying that Allah Ta'ala writes
How about
everything.
Google?
No, Google is nothing. Allah Ta'ala's computer
Google
is
is
way
a
more
number.
bigger. Google is a number. Okay, fine. So I was saying that that Loh al Mahfouz, it's kind of like a computer that has all the knowledge of the world. Even before the human beings were sent on earth to the last human beings after what will happen when the earth will be destroyed. And everybody will die. So this book has everything written on it. How many kids will be born, and who will they be, who will their parents be, how are they going to look like, how are they going to behave, if they are going to go in the heaven or in the hell, everything. When a baby is born, Allah Ta'ala pre-decides everything for it. When a baby is really, really tiny, Allah Ta'ala already decides how much he's going to eat, where will he get his food, and how he's going to grow up, what kind of person he'll become, if he'll go in the heaven or in the hell. So we have to pray all the time to Allah Ta'ala. Oh, Allah Ta'ala, please.
He might go on the right side. This one is the right side.
But why on the right side?
Because that's where the heaven is.
That's where the heaven is? Really? Okay. Yes. But the thing is, if Allah Ta'ala already has written everything, then why do we have to do it? Why are we being judged?
So that we can go to the heaven.
Yes, so that we can go to the heaven. But the actual answer is, Allah Ta'ala has written everything, but we don't know what Allah Ta'ala has written for us. Right? We don't know anything about us. So we have to make lots and lots and lots of dua to be from among those people who are going to go in the heaven, not in the hell. And because we don't know and Allah Ta'ala knows only, we have to struggle. This means Allah Ta'ala has given us a choice. We have a choice. We can do a good thing or a bad thing.
If you do a bad thing, you're going to hell.
Yes.
If you do a good thing, you're going to heaven.
That's right. And if Allah Ta'ala will not give us that choice, then there will be no judgment. Because Allah Ta'ala has given us a choice, that's why there will be a judgment and there will be a heaven and hell for us. There will be rewards or punishment for us.
Heaven and hell is connected.
And you know what? Imagine, like, every teacher knows how the students are, right?
But everyone dies in lava.
Yes. So every teacher knows, like Ali's teacher. Ali's teacher know what type of student Ali is, right? Ali teacher knows that Ali is a good student. So even before Ali starts an exam, Miss Braben can say, I think Ali's gonna do really well in his exams, right? Because she knows you already. She knows Ali finishes all his homework, Ali memorizes all the poems, and Ali is a very good student. So that's why Miss Braben knows that Ali is going to pass with really good marks, right? But what if Ali chooses not to give the exam? Then Ali can be failed, right? That doesn't mean that Miss Braben was wrong. That means that Ali chose the wrong path, right?
Which means I will be wrong.
Yes, you got that right. It means you will be wrong, and that's why you will be judged. Okay?
Me?
Yes, you. All of us will be judged. When you grow up, and if you don't learn to choose the good things, and if you don't learn to pick the right things from the bad things, then we will be judged. So we have to pray every day, every night. Allah Ta'ala, please, please, please make us from the people of heaven. Right? You do that dua too? Make that dua. Allah Ta'ala,
Allah Ta'ala,
please make me from the people of heaven.
Allah Ta'ala, please make me people from the heaven.
Yes, and don't make me the fuel of the hell.
And don't make me the fuel of the hell.
And make my parents and my brothers
And make my parents and my brothers
all go in the heaven.
all go into heaven.
Make us all meet there with Abuji.
My tummy there is Abuji.
Ameen.
Ameen.
Was that a good story today?